Hello my brothers and sisters, good morning Otoshebo mama. E get wetin I wan still talk today. Una know say una don fair know people wey don dey follow me. Una know say me I no be PFM member. Una know that one. If I see where good, I go talk am. If I see where bad, I go still talk am. Even though say you be my brother, you be my sister, if you do something wey no go, I go tell you. If like say tomorrow you no greet me, e no bad, but I know say na the good thing I tell you. About this man wey dey for Italy here, wey dey where I dey so, wetin dem call am Heathrow. My brother, oh, I greet you. You wan just come out, for your live video, the first live video wey you dey do. You carry Blessing matter with Eranomigo. Oh, you carry come. I wan no vex o. Blessing come report to you. Blessing come report to you say brother this man don take my money I no know how I wan take do am as I want to go meet Ogbalegbe. The girl don come tell you. One of dey carry another person problem una just put for una head. Una just dey narrate dey go. Una leave that small pikin alone. Wazobobekun. Na this is sister wey dey call Ifweko. Na e cause am Ifweko bere no see. Kazen koso wisha wizard wey no know say oyibo give your sister money. They can't know for Facebook say the oyibo give your sister money. Urio unworio hani urio yakbe here. They add the new do live video. May you come see tell them say may they please may they leave your sister alone. Abi may go on agboma. Umay go na agboma. Orio hani won gaivo. But you this what you call neutral, whether na neutral that they call you, I don't know. You say you want to tell Ogbalegbe say me parent. I know they defend the parent nomigo. If Blessing come out tomorrow say a parent nomigo thief money, now me go use a parent nomigo take sing. I go use am take dance. I go use am take sing. Now so my hobby. But for now, since that girl never come out, may everybody una keep una mouth shut. If una your hear about money, una go dey dance reggae, una go dey dance. Una go the dance, I beg you. Money no be una I don't know the one wey una dey. If Blessing just come out today say, see wetin happen to her. Now she get that money. She get the right to come out, come talk. I go come out, I go see narrate a power well. But since that girl never come out, come talk say, if I eat my money, wetin una wan die put so. Wetin una dey take paracetamol put. If una your year of money, una go jump come out. This neutral way there for Italy. Why you not come and say where you part day there? Where you go give all this our brother where there for camp food? Why you not come and may you go help? Just to go help. Since you know say na a part there for Italy for there for Italy. Why you not come and say I pass? You want go give all these our people money food? So may I follow una? May I see wetin I do? No. But you just hear about money, you just run come out. You want to do live video. Make people come and listen to nonsense where you they talk. Now, my brother, you say you don't there for Italy for many years. Sorry, you say you go tell Ogbalegbe say me parent no me go no dey come Italy again. You get the right to go dey tell Ogbalegbe say me no me go no dey come Italy. Blessing wey something dey for a body. He say me you follow and go meet Ogbalegbe. If you know you dey talk, you know the reason. It's like me now, just there here. I'll say because of my friend, where my neighbor eat money, I'll go meet Ogbalegbe. I say Ogbalegbe, you know what did happen? My friend, my neighbor they eat money. No, what Ogbalegbe they tell me. Go say me, I go tell my friend, may waka come by self. Not be they say Ogbalegbe they do something. Now they talk nonsense. If you not get what you want talk, you will forget. Because about money, hey, this and that. May bless if I can't tell you, say, brother, follow me, go Ogbalegbe place. Before you go they talk. Then you go get the evidence. Say you don't follow and go. That girl don't go denuncia a parent no me go. Before you go they talk. ESCC, you just say ESCC, they get your time. You just say now this nonsense. Now they say, now they want go they do for them. They don't get that time. If they don't get evidence, who go mind you? Mona they behave well. Mona dey behave well. Mona let that small girl rest. Make get peace. Mona leave am. No matter say sister na run come, na come dey talk about that bidi money wey no be yo, wey come bring come out. Na make everybody dey talk now. Say parent no me go do it money. Mo una beg, mona let peace reign. Mona dey use una brain before na go still dey talk. A parent no me go talk and say, yes, he want marry Blessing. We all know say if you marry one woman for abroad, you not fit marry the other one if you not divorce her. Una let the man talk. He dey tell wetin you go dey pain una na. If you talk say you wan marry 100 woman, but you know say you no fit do am because the law wey dey for Europe na still dey that America. If you really marry, say na marry na you do. No be the one wey dem dey do for Nigeria say tradition. No be that one. Really say you go court, you go marry. If you no divorce with your first wife, you no fit marry second. So even the part talk and say I go marry that blessing. He talk am make dey pay una, make una die. No worry un luvolo de. Una no get sense, common sense. Una no sabi use. Una no sabi use. I fit talk and say make I go talk something wey dey pain una. He talk am make dey pay una, make una dey cry. He get wife for house. Wetin he wan do? He wan divorce his wife, go marry blessing. I no dey join a parent on me. If you just do something wey no still good, I will just still talk am. Na so my own be. I no say because I like you, say you dey do good thing. If you do bad thing, I will dey support you. No, I will still talk am. Na him be me. Now I no understand. So make all this kata make una forget about am. Make that small girl first cry come out. If that girl no cry come out, nothing anybody go fit do. Nothing. Even Ogbalegbe go meet am say force am make he talk. If that girl no talk, he no write the statement, no sign put. You just say Ogbalegbe get down to na time, and the other one say they go tell London name me parent me no go there. Una you dey talk anyhow. Una no get evidence for hand. If una reach where Ogbalegbe dey, Ogbalegbe tell am say wetin you wan come talk. You say dem say na so I hear. Na dem say. Then when you tell me you go house, if you get evidence, may you come. Even though say you go give them video, say his sister say, they go tell you say, okay, now his sister say, what about that girl where they eat him money? That girl don't come complain. They will say they need that girl. If that girl can't complain, now they go even answer. If the girl not come complain, they will just say, Mona they go and say una not get job. Mona they behave well. If una wan get viewers, na come dey talk rubbish for Facebook. Make other people wey no even get sense, they come dey clap am for una. Hey, you are doing the right job. Hey, you are doing this nene. I mean, una never talk of agbona. Even my ambassador wey dey Nigeria, as they tell they do rich, I tell woman dano, and they still dey talk say na bad person. And that one just still dey do rich o, wey just dey for headquarter for Benin. They still dey talk say na bad person. Nobody wey no dey body. Nothing wey person go do for this world wey na go say the person dey good, the person do something good. No, nothing. Abeg, wetin dey call you? This wetin say that they call am, whether I no know wetin e be name. Make you forgot about blessing. Blessing never cry come meet you. Blessing know the law wey hold am for Italy. Maybe you wey say you dey many years for Italy, you no even know the law wey hold you. Say you go tell Ogbalegbe. Wetin you wan go tell Ogbalegbe? They go remind you. They no mind you. You no even know say they no mind you. Person wey something dey body, no confront, come talk. Now you go come and say, I want defend my people. Well, which people you want defend? The people where you want defend, they no get mouth to talk. You no fit defend anybody. You can defend your own self. You no fit defend another person. You talk for your own, I talk for my own. Abeg, this one na the little something where I still get me. I can't tell now. I no be enemy of anybody, but more than not dey put person. More than dey put person problem for head too much. E no good. E no good. If blessing just call me now say, really, see wetin happen. Na true. I will not say na blessing. Now you dey talk to me so. Before I go put am for head. Blessing never come tell una. So just na here for a sister. Una carry am. That one wey no even get shame, wey come dey disgrace the family. Una carry am, na put for head. Una carry dey go. Mona leave that small girl in peace. Mona leave her alone. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed, everybody. Goodbye.